Would you bring your kids here? This is the LINQ Promenade on Christmas Day 2025. Middle of the day, music on, bars open, business as usual. This is Vegas, baby. I'm walking it from the high roller down to the strip, just gonna be calling out stuff as I see it. Stay with me, because what happens near the end of this walk is very Vegas and very unfamily friendly. So the high roller is directly behind us. Max's is to our left. I had breakfast there once, it was very nice, a little bit expensive. Yard House is to our right. It's a nice bar. Used to have happy hour specials, but it doesn't have them anymore, so, take that as you will. I prefer to go where the happy hours are, because you get better value. You got a whole plethora of shops around here, so you got Harley Davidson stuff, salt, and all that sort of stuff. In fairness, here we're coming up now, you're gonna see the Jimmy Kimmel place. I haven't been in, but it seems like it would be a really cool place to go. Like, if you wanted a night out, just get a ticket, go in, enjoy some comedy. I love comedy, Marianne doesn't, so whether that's a thing. You also have the virtual reality ride there. And then you've got the Brooklyn Bowl. So you can see from their signs, they've got a lot going on. They've got some pretty good, pretty fun stuff. You got the Girardelli ice cream and chocolate place. Oh yeah. That's gonna beat Hershey's hands down every day for me. And Favorite. Favorite does actually have some happy hour deals, so check that out. I went in there, we had happy hour drinks. I think it was $5 for bottles. So I think I had a Blue Moon. Pretty nice. You got an ice bar over here by the Brooklyn Bowl. Never been in. I don't really know what the thing about them is. I just don't get it. Right here on our right hand side is where American used to be, and that's closed at the moment. That was also a cool bar. You've got the In-N-Out Burger. That's closed at this stage of the walk, but when that's open, oh boy, is it full. And you've got Flour and Barley as well. So Flour and Barley, I haven't had the pizza there personally, but apparently it's really, really nice. So you can kind of get this. There's a vibe around here. Look, there's the pool. Pool at LINQ. Not open on Christmas. Not open anywhere near Christmas. Virgil's Barbecue. Again, I haven't tried it. I've heard okay things about it. I really have. I think they might have a happy hour deal as well, just on food. But check that out for yourself. You got the Tilted Kilt. So the Tilted Kilt, funnily enough, I ended up in one of these on my honeymoon. Yeah, my wife hasn't let me back in one since. If any of you have been into Tilted Kilt, you probably know why. So this is probably the middle, roughly, of the LINQ Promenade. I love LINQ Promenade. It's fake urban. It is in the middle of the strip, but it's just fake urban. You got the Vegas stuff going on here as well. So that's where you can get some souvenirs and stuff. There are cheaper places. Dump yourself. Good place to get a picture with the fake sign. And you got the place over here, Love Sugar. So Love Sugar is an awesome sweet shop. Massively overpriced. Awesome sweet shop. You've got the Off the Strip Bistro as well. Still haven't eaten there. It's okay. It's okay. But I do love the design of this whole place. I mean, it's walkable, it's easy, there's no cars. This is Christmas Day, and there's pretty good life going on around this. The Blarney Bar, you gotta get the frozen Baileys, guys. Frozen Baileys, it's overpriced. It is definitely overpriced, but it's pretty cool. And O'Shea's is pretty cool for a bit of, a bit of gambling and stuff. Oh, if you look up overhead there a second ago, you would have seen the Fly LINQ. Pretty cool. Got the Candy Martini Bar. I haven't been there yet, but that's the place where you're going to get those massive, big cocktails filled with candy and sweets and stuff. Really cool. Super overpriced. Real tourist trappy, but cool. Great for pictures. Go on. On our right here is Chayo. directly across the way from the entrance to Flamingo. Chayo's really cool. We had there before. It was very tasty. Good Mexican food. Pretty solid. Nothing amazing. Breeze Daiquiri Bar, if you're into those big sugary drinks. Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chip Place. Never really did it for me. And Buddy's Jersey. It's Buddy Velasco's place. Okay, not good. There's also a hot dog place somewhere on the left-hand side. So this is the LINQ Hotel and Casino. That show, Disco Show, I think that's gone now. That's a pity. But yeah, so here we are, we're coming up. You got Starbucks coffee, you got all that usual stuff. And you got like a bar over here, the Fly Link bar, where there's, I think people were waving at us and stuff. I don't know if I showed this video, but that's pretty cool. You got then these guys. These guys seem to be almost everywhere. They were down in Fremont Street, they're up here. Put a shirt on, guys. Put a shirt on. But yeah, so we're coming up near the end now. And this is up again where you get tickets for Fly Link. And on your left hand side, that's where the new Western Bar is going in. That's due to open at the end of 2026. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can probably see coming up why my wife made me turn off the camera. She just wasn't having any of it. Yeah, it's Minnie Mouse I'm talking about. Absolutely not this. Basically fully naked lady. That's Vegas for you. Even on Christmas Day.